Hello guys, I sincerely hope you are all doing well today. In this video, I would like to talk about a new part of the AI programmer's memories and show you how much these new features are significantly assisting in the continuity of our programming with the help of AI. This new section is called a to-do list. The to-do list has recently, I think for a few months now, been integrated into programs like Cursor, Windsurf, Tria, and other programs. What it does is that it creates a plan in advance and always follows that plan. Just like the first days of prompt writing that I had taught, where I would say what steps should be taken one by one, we would give the exact same prompt to the AI, and now this planning is implemented as a to-do list in programs like Cursor, Windsurf, and Tria. Okay, I'll show you right now what's going to happen. I'm going into Windsurf now. It doesn't matter which program you want to use for programming. Cursor, Tria, and other programs all have this feature now. Well, GPT 5.1 has also recently come out. I haven't tested it for programming yet. This is the first time I'm working with it. I thought it's a good time to use it. Okay, for example, I want to create a tic-tac-toe game with a modern look and design. For example, I tell it I want to make a tic-tac-toe. It's basically our own tic-tac-toe game. In English, it's tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac-toe with a modern futuristic theme style using HTML, CSS, JS. I want to play it with a low AI. How to do it? Then I switch from code mode to chat mode because I want to chat with it. Okay, I'll also activate the web section to get better answers, and we press enter. And I want it to start chatting with me right here and give me a plan. Okay, it's in thinking mode now. It's even planning by thinking on its own. Look here, guys. This is our to-do list section. It has to do 4 tasks. Define the structure, describe the modern futuristic, explain how to implement the game logic AI, offer to generate complete example. It starts with a basic to-do list. And after that, it wants to create another to-do list to build this plan and this project for us. Okay, look here, guys. It has written a very long answer for me in different codes, but it hasn't implemented them yet. It wants to deploy it. So what do we tell it here? Create a complete detailed to-do list and build this project. I told it to create a complete and detailed to-do list so that after this to-do list is complete, the project will be built. And right, we won't have this problem later when we close the project and want to come back to it to have to tell it with prompt writing to continue that work. Look here now. Now it has created 17 steps for us that all these steps must be done one by one for the project to be complete for us. This to-do list helps us to know what to do in the middle of the work or not to get stuck. To say, where are we now? What was the problem? And then we always forget this part in programming. I didn't activate its code section. It says it was my mistake. Now, until this answer is finished, I'll activate the code section. I just want you to see that the essence of this matter is this to-do list of ours. Now that it has completed and written this to-do list for us, from now on, its job is that this to-do list must be completed. And when this is complete, that's when our project is complete. It has either done the planning itself or we give it the plan and it recognizes it as its own to-do list, as its own task, and says, okay, I have to proceed according to this section. Now we write build it. Now I'll press the code button and now it should start building. Guys, we can actually build a wide variety of different projects with this. And continuing from the previous videos about the Instagram workflow, I want us to take some time to learn together how we can create software that is paid, meaning you usually have to pay to use it, and discover how we can, in fact, build it for free ourselves. This is one of the things I'd like you to do as well. Build different software with it so you don't have to pay other companies first, and even learn to create a service and product that you can sell to others. This is something I'd love for you to achieve. Okay, now it's creating the index for me, index and style. It seems to have done a good job. Now it has created the different cells for tic-tac-toe. Okay, let's see how it looks. Futuristic tic-tac-toe. Its style is fun. Now we have to do something with JavaScript so that we can start playing with it. Okay, let's see if it works now. Okay, the game is starting now. I haven't played so much that I forgot how I should play these games. I'm kind of... Guys, you've seen how the process went so far, okay? And this to-do list is probably not complete yet. Let me check above. The to-do list, well, its checkboxes are not ticked yet because it needs to be updated. It's doing a complete verification like this. It has even written the rules of tic-tac-toe for us here in JavaScript. Guys, you saw what a really nice and impressive appearance it came up with, didn't you? It seems like it wants to go ahead and rewrite the HTML and CSS for us all over again, just like before. The style, of course, should remain exactly the same as it was previously, without any changes or differences. and now let it build the JavaScript for us. Guys, I just want you to see that this process with any AI we want to write with, whether it's a weak or strong AI, the to-do list helps a lot in letting the AIs know what process to follow, and we don't have to constantly guide them. Because in the early days, the difficulty was really that we had to guide them. Well, but for those who know programming, it's easy. It's not that hard from that perspective. But for the kids who know nothing and just want to do this with prompt writing, we must always have a plan, a file that we give to it as a plan, so that, okay, this is your plan, then compare how far we've gone and where we haven't. But with this method, it knows for itself where it had a problem and where it didn't. Okay, let me activate the index one more time and at least get a win here. Okay, at least it plays automatically with itself in demo mode here. It's fun. Okay, guys, this video ends here. Use the to-do list section, guys. It will help you a lot in your programming, in your planning, and I'm telling you, you won't get sidetracked from the process at all, and later you won't get confused about where you are. Even if you create a new chat later, it will show you where you are. Okay, now look here, guys. All the boxes are checked now. This is the testing section, visual polish, and some minor tweaks, but the bulk of the work is done here. Then all the to-do list items were checked off. It just said to test it, give it a bit of a visual touch-up, then add a difficulty mode, deploy project to GitHub, and so on, and now the entire project is complete. You see, this part is a huge help. I hope you guys found this video useful, and again, I'm adding a lot of new tutorial sections. That's part of the reason I'm posting videos a bit less frequently, because I want to put out videos that are actually beneficial to you, and I don't want to keep saying the same things over and over for you. And I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.